Hello, what's up today? This is Timothy from Omatule In today's video, I want to show you how to create Facebook ad. In my last video, I showed you how to create Facebook event pixel. In case you have not yet watched that video, I advise you to watch that video so that you will be able to follow up. And in my previous video I also showed you how you can create Facebook pixel. Facebook pixel is different from event pixel. Facebook pixel record everybody that visits your website irrespective of the page it visited, but event record specific event like when somebody click on a button, it can be recorded by Facebook. If somebody visits a specific website, a specific page, it will be recorded so that you will be able to target those people. These are people that are interested in your product, and these are people that you can target so that you can make sales, because there's no point targeting somebody that will not buy your product. Okay, now in this video now I'm going to show you how you can create your ad. And in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll be notified when I'm going to upload the next video. And let me know your comment in the comment section. Now let's get started. You will type business.facebook.com. I have many accounts. I want to use this as for the purpose of this tutorial. And once you're in this page, what you do is, and I want to believe by now you must have added money to your account. So and you have already created your audience. So you click on this hamburger icon. Then you will go to Ads Manager. Okay, if you are in your Ad Manager, you hit Create. Then you hit Continue. Now the one I want to use is conversion. There are so many options here. Conversion is, that is, Facebook will show your ad more to people that are likely to convert. Then when you choose traffic, Facebook will optimize your ad based on people that may likely visit your website. If you choose engagement, your ad will be optimized based on people that will engage on your post. So, but I like to choose conversion. Then I'm going to click OK, continue. Then I'm going to give it a name here. Let's give it test. I'm going to leave this one as it is, and we'll click on continue. Under the ad set, we are going to still give it test ad set. And then I'm going to select website. This is red. I want to use lead. It's not supposed to be red. Okay. Okay. Maybe our event pixel is not okay. It's not, maybe our event pixel is not well installed. So let me install it now. I'm going to use professional, then go to test event. Okay, it's active now. You can see lead is active. All right, we are done. Okay, don't mind the red notification. We have already seen that our lead pixel is active. Then here we are going to select our daily budget. I'll leave it at $5. The date, we'll leave it as it is. Then here we can create an audience here, or we use save audience. If you want to use save audience, you select this. I only have one save audience. If you want to create a new audience, you click on create. Okay, the location is Nigeria, and the age, we will increase it to, let's say 30. 30 is okay. 30 to 60. Then placement, I only need on feed, Instagram feed, and Facebook. I'll off this. Instagram feed, Facebook marketplace, I'll off this. Video, I'll off this. If I'm not using video, I'll off this as well. I think this one is okay. Explore, I'll off this. I'm okay with this too. All right. Once you are done, you hit next, and we're going to give it a name, and we'll select Instagram page. I selected this is my Instagram account, and this is my Facebook page. So this ad will now run on both Facebook and Instagram simultaneously. Okay, the next thing we will do is to select our creative. That's the image or the video that we use for our ad. You can create your video and upload it. Okay, then here you are going to type your URL. You type the exact URL you want to take people to, and you will write your text here. I'm not going to do that now. Make sure you write a very convincing text, and be mindful of the terms you will use, because there are some terms you use that Facebook will not approve your ad. Then here you write an attractive headline, a headline that will capture your lead attention so that they will click on it. You also write description here, and this is where you choose the call to action. Learn more is okay, and once you are done, you hit publish. And once you hit the publish, you wait. Depends on, sometimes it can take up to few hours before your ad will be approved, and sometimes it will be rejected. If it is rejected, then you will edit it and publish it again. If you like the video, let me know your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell so that when I upload another video, you will receive it and be able to watch it and benefit from it. Thanks again, and see you again in my next video. Bye.